In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Airtable. Whether you're new to this tool or just looking to enhance your productivity, this guide will walk you through each step to efficiently set up a search function. Let's dive right in and start exploring how you can streamline your workflow with Airtable. First, you'll need to head over to Airtable's website. Open up your favorite web browser and navigate to airtable.com. If you haven't already signed up, you'll need to create an account. Once you're there, locate the sign in button typically found at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you're new to Airtable, you can sign up using an email address or log in with existing Google credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Airtable home screen. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to access the base you plan to work with. This base is essentially a workspace where you'll be organizing your data. Look for the base you wish to use from your home page where all of your projects are listed. Click on it, and let's move on to the next step. Next, we'll set up the extension you'll need for searching within your base. On the base's navigation bar, which lies on the upper side of the screen, find and click on Extensions. This feature is a powerful component that allows you to add various tools to your Airtable base, enhancing its capabilities. Once you have the extensions panel open, the next thing you need to do is click on Add an Extension. This action will open a list of available extensions you can add to your Airtable base. It's worth noting that extensions can greatly enhance the functionality of your workspace, so feel free to explore what's available. Now you're looking to add a specific tool, the search extension. In the search bar option that appears, type the word search. This search extension is incredibly useful for filtering through vast amounts of data, quickly and efficiently zeroing in on the information that matters to you. After typing in search, you should see the extension pop up in the list of results. Click on it to select it. Before finalizing, it's a good idea to learn a bit about the extension to ensure it's the right fit for your needs, though in this case, as we're focusing on search functionalities, it's a straightforward choice. Finally, click on Add Extension to incorporate it into your base. It will be added to your tools, allowing you to perform searches across your data effortlessly. And there you have it, you've successfully set up search capabilities on your Airtable base. Now, you can easily pinpoint and retrieve the data you need without scrolling endlessly through records. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough on setting up search in Airtable. I hope it helps you become more efficient in navigating your data. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing for more tutorials and tips on optimizing your workflows with technology. Happy searching!